Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that holds so many of us back. Something that whispers doubts in our ears and builds invisible walls around our dreams. I'm talking about fear. It's a powerful emotion, isn't it? The fear of failure, the fear of judgment, the fear of the unknown. It can feel like this massive, unbeatable monster that paralyzes us. We want to start that business, learn that new skill, or even just have that difficult conversation. But fear steps in and says, what if you're not good enough? What if you mess it up? And so, we wait. We wait for the perfect moment, for a sign, for the fear to magically disappear. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon against this monster? It's not about being fearless. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's acting in spite of it. The secret is simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Replace one fear with one action. That's it. You don't need a grand, elaborate plan to conquer all your fears at once. You just need to choose one fear right now and take one small, tangible step to face it. Think of it like this. Every time you take action, no matter how small, you're shining a light on that fear. And fear can't survive in the light. It thrives in the darkness of inaction and overthinking. Let's make this real. Are you afraid of public speaking? Your action today could be recording a 1-minute video of yourself talking about your favorite hobby. No one else has to see it. It's just for you. Are you afraid of starting a fitness journey because you feel overwhelmed? Your action today could be a 10-minute walk around the block. That's it. See? We're not trying to run a marathon on day one. We're just putting on our shoes. That single action proves to your brain that you are capable. It builds a tiny bit of momentum. And tomorrow, you can take another small step. That 1-minute video becomes a 5-minute video. That 10-minute walk becomes a 15-minute walk. Each action is a vote for your future self, for the person you want to become. So, I'm putting the question to you. What's one fear that's been holding you back? And more importantly, what is the one single, small action you will take today to replace it? Don't just think about it, commit to it. Write it down in the comments below. Let's create a community of action takers right here, right now. Let's inspire each other. What action will you take today? I can't wait to read your responses and cheer you on. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more inspiration to build your best life. See you in the next video.